What's up, guys? It's Anthony from AB Fitness Center, and I just heard the craziest, best piece of advice ever. And I know I was so excited to come on here and tell you guys, because I know if I tell you guys this advice, it's gonna skyrocket your results. Your results are gonna go to the moon, and you're finally gonna be able to transform your physique permanently. Like, there's no going back to it. So here's the advice. I think the key is you gotta take action on this stuff. So I was listening to something from Tony Robbins, and he said like a sentence or two, and I have the sentence written down. I'm gonna read it to you, but he said a sentence or two, and it just like hit me, and I'm like, oh my God, people in fitness need to do this. And this is how we're gonna get people better results, by just taking this on. So he basically said, you ready? Because this is like mind blowing. Lasting change is different than a goal. You don't always get to your goal, but you always get to your standards. Everybody in life gets their musts. They don't get their shoulds. Mind blowing. Lasting change is different than a goal. You don't always get to your goals, but you always get to your standards. Bottom line, your standards in fitness, you need to start tracking your calories. You need to track your protein. How many servings of protein you're having a day? How many servings of carb you're having a day? How many servings of fat? How long have you been doing this for? Consistently. These have to be your standards. You have to live up to these standards. How many times a week are you currently going to the gym? How many times a week are you executing on this plan? Because if you say, I should go to the gym, I should be dieting, I should this, I should that, you're shooting all over yourself and you're not accomplishing anything. You need to raise your standards. You need to raise your standards up to a new level where you're executing on those things every day. If I could give you the best piece of advice, again, on the 3 things that you need to do every day to execute in order to have a better body, it would be 1, making sure you track your nutrition. 2, get to the gym, lift free weights 2 to 4 times a week. And number 3, go on a nice long walk every night. Again, I think that's good for your mind and good for your overall health. That's it. Those are the 3 things. If you want 3 things to execute on every day, those are the 3 things. And those need to become your standards every day, that no matter what, we do them. And that's the key. With fitness, everybody throws the standards out the window. You cannot. Even if you have a bad day, track it. Even if you have a bad day, go to the gym. Even if you don't feel like going, go. Set that as your standard, because you need more. You deserve more, and you deserve better. But the only person who's gonna change you is that person looking at you in the mirror. You can listen to me all you want. Unfortunately, if you don't take action and set those standards for yourself, nothing is gonna happen. I'm gonna read it to you one more time, because like I said, this is powerful. Lasting change is different than a goal, which is what we all want, right? We all want permanent changes. We don't want to lose weight for 12 weeks or gain muscle for 12 weeks and then stop. Doesn't work like that. Lasting change is different than a goal. You don't always get your goals, but you always get your standards. Everybody in life gets their musts. They don't get their shoulds. Stop shooting all over yourself. Get to work. You can do this. Raise your standards and start executing. Remember, I don't want you to just watch these videos and do nothing. Click that link in the description below if you want help. Go out there, raise your level and your standards, and I'll catch you on the next one.